Morning, children. Children, do you remember that in SST we were doing India, the Great Himalayas? I'm turning the page and coming to page on 18. So, children, my last video we have studied till 18 northeastern states. Okay, quickly we're going to revise some points, then we're going to move further. Now, first was Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand incorporates the Garhwal and Kumaon hills. Farming is the main occupation. Mussoorie, Nainital, and Almora are the popular hill station. Now, the famous tourism and pilgrim places include Haridwar, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, and Ranikhet. These are the tourism and plus pilgrim places for worship. Dehradun is the capital city of Uttarakhand. Now, coming to next, Sikkim and West Bengal. Sikkim is a small state and is located on high mountains and deep river valleys. The people belong to three main tribes: Lepcha, Bhutia, and Nepali. Women wear bhoku and colorful jewelry made from beads. Sikkim is famous for orchids. Gangtok is the capital city of Sikkim. Darjeeling is a popular hill station. It has many tea gardens. The main economic activity of people is tea cultivation. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal, children. See, children, I have showed the picture also that day. People of Sikkim. Now, children, coming to next, northeastern state. The northeastern part of India has 7 states. These are known as Seven Sisters. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in the northeast. People live in split houses. This protects them from rain and the wild animals. Brahmaputra rivers enters India through this state. Farming and weaving are the main occupation here in Manipur. They also make beautiful articles from bamboo, cane, and leather. The Manipuri dance is very popular. It is one of the most significant classical dance in India. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Now, children, we move further on page 19. Today we are going to study about Meghalaya. Meghalaya means abode of clouds, means home of clouds. Underline Meghalaya, this will be your hard word. Now, children, it gets the heaviest rainfall. Underline heaviest means it get the heaviest rainfall in the country. The tribal people live here are from Garu, underline Khasi, and Jaitia tribes. These are the names of tribes that people lives here. They grow rice, jute, underline it, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapples, and oranges. I'm going to repeat again. Meghalaya means abode of clouds, means home of clouds. It gets the heaviest rainfall in the country. The tribal people live here are from Garu, Khasi, and Jaitia tribes. They grow means occupation is their agriculture, but they grow rice, jute, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapples, and oranges. Shillong, underline Shillong, this will be a hard word, is the capital city of a popular hill station of Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital city of and a popular hill station of Meghalaya. Now, children, coming to next paragraph, the word Mizoram. Underline Mizoram. The word Mizoram means land of the hilly people. What it means? Land of the hilly people. Aizawl is the capital city. Underline, Aizawl is the capital city of Mizoram. Agriculture is the main occupation of its people. Most Mizos known how to read and write, means they are literate and they knew how to read and write. Most of them read English. I'm repeating again. The word Mizoram means land of the hilly people. Aizawl is the capital city. Agriculture is the main occupation of its people. Most Mizos know how to read and write. Most of them read which language? English. Underline this. See children, the Manipuri dance. This is the picture. Beautiful Manipuri dance, Children, see Garu festival. Picture is given in your book. People of Meghalaya. Now children, coming to people of Nagaland. This picture is given on page number 19. People of Nagaland. Now children, coming to next paragraph, the capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Underline Nagaland and Kohima. This will be your hard word. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Rice, maize, millets and oranges are grown here. Rice, maize, underline maize. Maize means corn. Millets means we used to have chole, rajmas and many dals, Those are known as millets. And oranges are grown here. The Nagas wear, what they used to wear? Shawls of different designs. Naga people are accustomed to exposing their traditional culture of shawls. Underline accustomed means normal to exposing their traditional culture of shawls. Now, next Assam, river Brahmaputra. Underline Brahmaputra is the name of the river. This will be your hard word. Has made Assam very fertile. Means the land is very fertile because of Brahmaputra river, and that is why farming is the best part of this occupation. Now rice and jute are the main crops. Rice and jute are the main crops. Tea is grown on the lower slopes of the hill. Tea is grown on the lower slopes of the hill. Dishpur, underline Dishpur, is the capital land. Dishpur is the capital land. Guwahati, underline Guwahati, is the largest city. The people of the state speak Assamese. The people of the state, which language they used to speak? Assamese. Underline Assamese. This will be your hard word. Guwahati will be your hard word. May I revise one more time, children? See, Assam. River Brahmaputra has made Assam very fertile. Which two crops are the main crops? Rice and jute are the two main crops. Tea is grown on the lower slopes of the hills. Dishpur is the capital land. Guwahati is the largest city. The people of the state speak Assamese. They celebrate Bihu. Which festival they used to celebrate, children? They celebrate Bihu. Underline Bihu. Now coming to next paragraph. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh. Underline Tripura. This will be your hard word. Surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides. Agartala. Underline Agartala. This will be your hard word. Is the capital city. I am repeating again. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh from how many sides? Three sides. Underline. Agartala is the capital city. Rice and jute are main crops. Which are the two main crops? Rice and jute are two main crops. Bamboo is also grown here. It is used to make handicraft items. I am revising again, children. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides. Agartala is the capital of city. Two main crops are rice and jute. Bamboo is also grown here. It is used to make handicrafts items. The ranges experience underline, this will be a hard word. Cold climate throughout the year means the climate is very cold throughout the whole year. Tourist visits the hills station in the summers. Tourists visit the hill stations in the summer season. Now children, coming to importance of the Himalayan mountains. What are the importance of the Himalayan mountains? Now children, the Himalayan mountains are very useful for our country in many ways. Some of them are. The Himalayan mountains are very useful for our country in many ways. Some of them are, first one, they guard our northern borders. First, they guard our northern borders. Underline borders. This will be a hard word. Passes and gaps in the mountains. Passes and gaps in the mountains help in crossing them. Though they protect, the third point, us from the very cold winds blowing from the north. They protect us from the very cold winds blowing from the north. They check the monsoon coming from south and cause heavy rainfall. They check the monsoons coming from south and cause heavy rainfall. Coming to next page, number 20. The fifth one, rivers coming from Himalayas are perennial in nature. Underline perennial. Rivers coming from Himalayas are perennial in nature. They provide water to our farms. Rivers provide waters to agricultural lands and farms. The Himalayan forest provide timber and herbs and some Ayurvedic medicines also. The Himalayan forest provide timber and herbs. There are many wildlife sanctuaries in the Himalayan forest. Means many wildlife sanctuaries are there. Many wild life is protective there in the Himalayan forest. Okay, children. Today we're going to do till here. Then I'm going to explain you some points further. Okay, till then, be safe. Goodbye, children.